There are so many ways of preparing fried rice, and I have a lot of recipes about fried rice, but this is one of them, and it is very simple. I know very well that you will love it. Hello, nice to meet you. My name is Lena, and welcome to my kitchen. We make cooking or anything that we eat here. So please, if you're interested, do not forget to follow or subscribe for more videos. So I have my rice here. I cooked it with my soy sauce and my chicken stock. I did not add any salt to it because the soy sauce contains salt. And when you are preparing your rice for fried rice, we want it very dry or singled out like this. So we are not going to add any water to it to make it too soft. So our rice is ready. In another pot, I have my chicken. Then I have my rosemary. I have my cayenne pepper. I have my homemade natural and herbs blend. Then I have my pepper, ginger, garlic, onion that I've blended with some basil and parsley. So that is what I've added to it. Okay, thank you so much for watching. If today is the first time here, hello, nice to meet you. So now after I've added everything, I'll just go ahead and give it a stir. Please note this, I added some chicken seasoning and small amount of salt. You try to taste it before you proceed. So this is after 5 minutes and I'm just turning the chicken. The chicken already looks so delicious. Okay, so it was the same stock that I used to prepare the rice. Okay, so because of editing, that is why that one came before this. Yes, so now our chicken is ready and we will just put it in the air fryer and then air fry it. So this was after 10 minutes and this is how it looks. I'll go ahead and flip it and put it in for extra 10 minutes. So whilst it is in the air fryer, we will just proceed with the fried rice. I have with me here my tofu. Okay, so I'll go ahead and then pour it in my cooking pot. I've done that already, and I'll go ahead and add my oil to it. So I'm using soya beans oil. Okay, the other day someone was saying she didn't know we have soya beans oil. We have it. So that is what I've added. You can use any oil of your choice. Then I'll go ahead and add my carrot. After I add the carrot, I'll give it a stir and just look at that beautiful color. I love using tofu when I'm preparing fried rice. Yes, it is so delicious. Now I'll go ahead and add my rice. I actually allowed the rice to cool down. Okay, yes, it is not hot. I prepared the rice in the morning and then prepared the fried rice in the evening. It was actually during my birthday. So this was on the 24th of April. Now I will add the rice to it bit by bit and then stir it. You make sure you taste before you add any seasoning because the rice contains seasoning, pepper, everything is in the rice. So be very careful if you are using this method. Now I will add my onions and then my cabbage. Fried rice without cabbage, oh my goodness. Don't mind me, you can do it without cabbage, okay? But my fried rice without cabbage, I can't enjoy it though. It is so nice. So after I mix it, then my husband was telling me he bought some fried rice seasoning. I should add some to it, and trust me, when I added it to it, oh my goodness, it was so nice. So that was what I added, and I'm stirring it. So after stirring, this is how it looks. The rice looks so beautiful, and our fried rice is ready.